And the two for your office one.
I'm slow.
Is that bad?
I'm slow to my uncle.
As some other what's the day you want us to run down Friday? Like you know who could you read? Not bed, you may catch out of me, poor you in the quiet. Not that mamma phone. I'm not today, dear.
You can just I'm here, dear, say I want to get no.
What the idea is not the winning. Le bois.
Okay.
And okay, they never call so I have to do watch on.
And go on a dog, I mean, you're starting new life.
Aye.
Anna says they do like them. You may do remember and go do me now while they're taking me. And I'm sorry, and answer of the Duma Bob. You saw right to me, bump on mamma when come to see them, do like them. We did our say, I can't, and we say, there's a light, my letter of Mokia. And to me, I answer when come out to Castle. And I'm doing. And I'm quite I did you on Cobu. And then I'm going to go over. I'm going to go over so. And so, we catch us on me and come out on so said, Lord, can't you make a said your woman as a and Kiamami in the show, we can a woman who's so to make a say, Yakuna one as a sea. And Minka, and Sana for this so of me to like it. You saw that the Chinese and I Chinese and I said, I said, then you should do I get an phone, the phone we are here. I'm going to say, I wear for a woman. And Sana, a Kumswa, or also sworn with a face. And also, not say about by Uncle Moon, guaranteeing your fire could be doing me, not so much on someone as well. But if I say a time, if you're not going to say a day, let's say, you man, I am mid instruction is to her. I didn't feel what. Some people by our entity, and I'm moving. Would boy and a wouldn't come on a movie sub, where would I come and all go not to Chromo? And we would now come and all to Chromo. And any idea, a person, or we are now the price. The instruction that the Casa Museum, and to the Casa Mufan Quanamunton. And I say, I one go quickly, so for the bag, the humans over the man on so quick. And I'm jump and say, and go on a film to me and from Mubia, and public I can go on and tell us me and for Mubia. Anthony, and I'm the key every time they will say, why is me so much? You know, I can't run your movie on your wedding. So it is to me, and to the key, who called me mom, I can't go for it. Who catches the keys that me and my instructions and go on the NC and the back is so you be chair. Yes, I will be chair where you call me man from a car 14. And to 14, and I want to cast them and I'm saying, examine shade your compulsory mission to meet you. Now you saw compulsory training when decided no from my blood when you're no made, non so pretty. It's what the man blood or yeah, no blade, one maybe when I know I'm getting at the castle of things. And our medium or toys, you put the bomb and your farm too. The guy is saying, as a madam here, and we are because of one of the someone I am. I will be a little crack. And who one can't tell me. Well, nobody is a much wouldn't think one may kind, and I'm somebody is a barman in a walking. It's time, and again, I went so kind, but I'm going to do like you would get. And that's true. I'm going to you. Young country from your mom at time you couldn't come out. I want someone to do because more. Two bedroom for him. I know what they want to do. Mama, they are by 44 years anymore. I'm the same kind of a moment here. And now we need to try I have your farm to come. Yeah, blah, one medium or side, and this is a Bolivian. But you buy my own money. You
na me ji wutiri because me nim say oba so you wo hwe nkola no adana ye yi we na wo kuru kina wan ka bi kura ma wo ku na wo so ye wo ku no o pentam kura ma ye yi wedi na we depend on na me ka bi ma o na bi say ya wo ndwene me ho wo ko me na body bia ba yeso na ma me di ye sa de no so na we na me ya ka me nya body kura na say bi say na wo nka nkyerem ya ene na me tension wo na say wo be ku me kura sa ne ya dia Nta ye mu pa me ka bia say nkokọ no e bonti akobia ma obia no nko akobia so what is every blood out on nkokọ na ye sa 44 na ewu ye no ana blood ye ma ye so onye na o me akokọ na me nko me ko me nkokọ me gu me ko me ni akokọ akokọ no nto ye da no nya me nkokọ di bi ana white ni so na mo no say me nkokọ white ni brother ni bi ka nkokọ na ono nkokọ na wo no mo ngenye me ni no kweli I know that I'm going to go for Fed, give them who won't come on one. Why no me says not brown, no me for. Or how could be empty on the table on it, and 3 on me go home, me and go home, man on one. Why no me says not brown, so for. And it is your own your walk of father, and then on the prayer with the gun for all the missing. I make her say, you're so better. Class one me a nice one when did you do one country me and who had it and the joke we gonna question the dear your friend on face. Sada we are my ad, papa. I just told Johnny, I'm the mom, they know in 2 for my baby age man, and think I'm great on my occasion for a ban of the sun and sit and water. And she saw 1 man in the nest and so we made you a big roof flower, and we get me still. And it's a guy where some title who can analyze it. So for me, then something I didn't come on to serve it. We have a yes, although for you one. Quite explain it because my family case, and it's on Bashusha, Munjay. Mamen church or police, you know. So we can hear almost way dangerous. Me ma lanji case. Almost a brother be one. Kwan wa kind of crime prepare patch romo. No more reported and that's a move close case and then that's what they are fugitive. Fugitive no be away one in a way journey. And we are watching. Sister. Na miano kwa mimi kwa jamu kama kwa anjengo ameu. Mimi kwa mimi sasa wanyama kuma nyadia ya mimi nyama wisi. Sisi amenu kwa ni ya mimi. Uje ngoma uya dai. Nisoro na mabefama kwa. Becky. So who kind of crap? Maybe you for one. Who kind of crap? Say, I who kind of bad here. Then that's always one that because I don't catch a man in Palau here. When I you want no, not the million case, but no one will catch them. Ya make close case, you know. But when you want to know who said, come in the case now, and on where who you will be busy, and to one point where you are no. And then we Johnny and then you know, it's always a way down a wishing room. And look yet. And the guy soon, now for you want no, me, I'm in the mayor. What can I just and quality of papa pad? Yeah, we can't find what can I coming from police? Because you know, no. Who would you one more? If you we are not a mistake, I know I can't be a catch 44. As she mission is wouldn't try a lose, but you mistake now, and to put the other here, that is a problem. And to come if you were Baby and Nipa. And he died so coffee and question room and Colano here. Now, one of you want almost from here. Near my classroom, can of furniture paper, no making notes. Not as a way you wait from me, stand a buy. But who can it? We are guilty and I will Johnny. So I think. What is and this is how my mama, me so mon père cancer, given a minga or weekend. Mammy, I said, this kind of mamma, because you can go to me, you come, my let's look at a woman that is a wood on you. And I tell you, what catch them? Already went to Chrome. What catch Madam Cross saying is here, and we are sorry, say one kind of financial me. Almost some feedback, but you say, we're going to just almost sell. And what one I was to from for one of you one or moon yell be your moon or answer me my report and I will go for you one and you can't work on the cranach room or move from no woman feedback. Not never deciding a mayor. Because there we can now, maybe something we can do in Tian make us say yes, sir. The view will be a church from Baba official, name Pet. We want always a legal system last year. So for you one idea, no more when we okay, man, no, your man is charging, what about the Mina, the Tennessee, and this is Yano, Yan. Uber Jimista, another young press charges. None of them I didn't mayor. It is so what you want to make me from the so Miss and Colano or Moon and found to jail, but you want to no mayor bad. What is the mechanic? A month found to jail, near my and to you want to or which one you want to be or mobile framing. No more be something there and person me. Coyuano was meaning Colano. Oh, Colano would actually hear me, and Yammy Bumble, but we found Colai, and Yajam at time. And Konoko, you want to know who said, when you what kind of chrono, or catch them now, everybody tell me, dear, open away, and my castle, oh, say. What it? And Konoko, you want, when you want no gun, and then I have problem, but who you want one? Send it there, who you want now, where you want. What? Becky. You know, so we do walk from that. No, why we are no one friendly. What is?
I'm just having them cry over Mamma, me and me boy, say my great into.
We are sure.
I say I'm like my group, myself, my sister, I can't be open. This is them cry over Mamma.
I didn't imagine to when you want one and yet, but you want one. Let us say, yes, you show one. So I think.
My sister. Bye.
For a whole month, I repeatedly begged and asked these people the whereabouts of my chicken. She denied it and denied it and denied it. The husband has already ran away. I asked her, even before I took the police there, I was there the day before. I asked her. She repeatedly denied. She also told me she's traveling to Kumasi to do some kind of customary rites and blah, blah, blah. That was her way of running. So for a month, I was asking, what happened to my chickens? Did they die? And you didn't tell me. She denied it. And the minute I got the police involved, she told me the truth. I don't even know if it's the truth because I caught her like 3 lies. First, she said she was in a nearby village. Then she said she's in the bush. Then she said she's in Kumasi on her way to Sunyani. I didn't hear any noise at the background. If you know anything about the Ghanaian transportation system, you know it's very noisy when you go to the station with trotro and people. I didn't hear any of that. And this was around 9:10. So I don't know I don't know if she's telling the truth. She says she'll be back. I hope she'll come back and go to the police station. Because the reason why I didn't tell her to just let it go, because I want her to go and answer and have it on record. And she's fearful to go there. Ghanaians are so scared of police officers and the court system. I'm not playing anymore. You steal, you're gonna get arrested. I'm not letting it go anymore. It's been 3 years of being nice. No more Miss Nice Lady. Steal one chicken and you're going to jail. I'm not doing this anymore. It's ridiculous. You can't be nice when you're running business in Ghana. It's like ingrained in them. They think they deserve a portion of your business without asking. I'm not doing this anymore. I am not. Okay? So if she doesn't come back, it's almost at the end of the month and she left. So I haven't paid her. And I had every intention of not paying her till her husband comes back and go to the police station. So I guess she figured out she has nothing to lose. So I have what? It's like she left what? 9 days before the end of the month. That's too bad for her. These are the 44 chicken that died after debeaking. That was a big mistake. I was so mad. I went there, took some for the vet to do some tests. We wanted to know what was going on. At that time, I didn't know it was from debeaking. So I thought, I did not know why these chicken died. Do not eat it in case they have some kind of disease. Don't eat them. Dig a hole and bury them. They said, okay. I left, and apparently my sister decided to give some to a nearby worker, and then the husband and wife team decided to take the rest to their friend to dress and barbecue it so they can eat it, and then his friend sold the rest to the villagers. Why can't you follow instruction? I said do not eat that chicken. You decide to dress it, barbecue it, and sell it to people. So the minute I took the police, everyone was telling the truth. My sister called me and said, oh, everyone was telling me that man was selling barbecue chicken. So now they're scared in case you're taking them to the voodoo man. Everybody's telling the truth. I'm like, seriously? And also need to have a talk with my sister. You don't give my chicken away. I know they don't eat chicken, but you have no right to give chicken away that I've told you as your employer to bury. I need to have a serious talk with her too. It is not happening. So apparently, according to her, the chicks died due to stampeding because I had instructed that they're old enough we should start turning off the light at night so they get to they get to sleep and then not eat all night because that costs more money. Fine. Sometimes I did tell them when you start turning off the light, because they're not used to having the light off, you have to make sure you're constantly in there. So they did not go in there enough during the night. And then some of the chicken died. Fine. It happens. Mortality is part of poultry farming. Will I be pissed? Yes. Why didn't you tell me the truth? You and your husband hid it. Not only from me, but from my sisters. And you didn't tell me. I've been asking for a whole month. What happened? I even said, did any of the chickens die and you guys didn't tell me? Cricket. No one told me anything. I have a filing system there. We keep track of everything. Based on that, I haven't lost any chicken, and automatically chickens are missing, and nobody wants to tell me what happened. And then, as usual, I would have just let it go after a while, but this one I wasn't having it because it kept happening, and this is a new batch. I'm doing things differently, and I'm not just going to lose money because of dishonesty. So why did you not tell me then? Why do I have to involve the police before you tell me the truth? So now I know I have to involve the police if I want to get the truth out. Now everybody's scared in the village. Nobody's going to be buying chicken from anybody if they don't know where the chicken came from, because I have started something and I'm not going to let it go. This is just too much. Too much. I don't get it. Just do the work. You know how much you're being paid. You accepted the job knowing. Do not steal. Do not find any. Just do the job. And let them, the employers see, wow, you're doing a good job. I want to do something for you. They come within a month. Oh, I want to get rid of my bad tooth. Can you pay for my bad tooth and then deduct it from my money every month? Oh, I want to build this. Like, excuse me, you need to serve before you get rewarded. Don't come to work 2 months, 1 week, and be asking me for favors and thinking that I'm supposed to do it. You have to serve, dedicate to serve me for many, many months, sometimes years, and then I'll be willing to do things without you asking. And if you ask me and I'm not doing it, doesn't mean I'm mean. Okay? You hire them and it's like you take care of their whole family. It's annoying.